Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're going to be installing some brand new boot struts, automatic boot struts to my BMW 1 Series. Now, as you can see on the bonnet, these boot struts are from Emerald Struts. Now, we're going to be putting these on, and it should actually be a very short video because these, we put them on in Jake's car, and if you want to see how you put them on a Fiesta, it's going to be the same for this as well, but there'll be a link in the top right hand corner of the screen now, so go check that out. This should be a really easy mod to do, and a more practical mod for everyday use. So yeah, what I'm going to do is pull the car out because I can't get around the back so far because it's really pushed up against the garage, and this should literally take us maybe like a couple of minutes to do, hopefully. And yeah, the only tool that you actually need, and you might not even need this tool, but they recommend it, is a flathead screwdriver. That's the only tool that they say you should use when installing these Emerald Struts. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the car out and let's put these on. So as I've come out here, I didn't actually realise how dirty the car was, so I'm going to quickly go clean it, and then we'll be back in here to put these Emerald Struts on, and yeah, make it a lot easier when I'm arriving at the car with a load of bags. Now, this video isn't, they haven't sent these out, it's not sponsored or anything, I'm just doing it because one, I need them on my car because it just makes it a lot better, and two, it's a good product, so why not promote it? Well, I pulled the car out to clean it, and yeah, without further ado, and just like that, it is now clean. So it's time to get it inside, and let's fit these struts. Okay, so to quickly explain what I'm doing is on the keys there is a button which opens the boot, but if I press it, as you can see, it opens it, but it doesn't actually, it unlocks it but it doesn't open it, and then you have to just put it like that and up it goes. So what we're going to be doing is actually replacing these and making them into the new powerful ones which will open the boot on its own by the click of the button. So yeah, this should be an easy install. What you've got to do is, you can see these little safety pins, you just take these out and then you pop it open, and then the bottom one is the same. There's another safety pin, you take that out, pop it open, and then you put the new ones on, and then yeah, that one will then be in, and then yeah, it should be very easy. Now the one thing is, last time I had Jake to help me support the boot open, so I'm gonna have to try and do this while holding the boot open, which should be a pretty hard challenge. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna be. I have seen a video where someone did it, they took it out and the boot smashed down and the back window shattered, so hopefully that does not happen today because that'll be an expensive fix which I do not want. So yeah, without further ado, let's take these off and put the new ones on. Okay, so this is the packaging you actually get when you buy the struts. You get a little letter here, the instructions and that. So yeah, what we're gonna do is get these out, open them up, get the new struts out and put them on. Okay, open this. And here they are. Here are the new struts that are going to be going in. Okay, so luckily I have the longest tripod in the world, so I'm able to easily put you guys up here. So, alright, so the safety pins are basically here. You just put your flathead screwdriver in there, and they should hopefully, I'm going to put it underneath, should hopefully pop out. Okay, there's the first safety pin out. Alright, there's the next safety pin out. I'm a bit taller, so what I'm gonna do is stand on my tiptoes like that and hold the boot with my head while I do this. Now, these I've checked, you hold them up against the side to make sure they're the same size, and they look exactly the same length. I'm gonna take the top one out first. Okay, yeah, I'm holding the boot up now with my head. Alright, there's the first one out. Alright, what I've got to do, which I've forgotten to, is take these little safety pins out, which is easy done. Alright, there's the first one. Okay, there's both the safety pins out. So now pop the bottom one in first, then the top one. So this one down here. Okay, that's the bottom one now in. What the hell is going on here? Right, these aren't going in properly. These aren't, this is, I don't know, it's like, is it wrong? I'm confused at why this is facing the wrong way. Well, what the hell is going on? These are the wrong ones. They don't go in properly. Let me real quick put the old ones back in. Alright, well, it's not fitting. That is annoying. I'm going to have to join you back after I've got a new set, because I do want these on, but I'm going to have to send them back, get a new set out, which is annoying, but... Okay, I went in, I put the car up, I put everything away. I messaged Emerald Struts and they got back to me really quickly with a solution to why it's not working. Now, the reason it's not working is because the top head wasn't aligned properly, so... Basically, they sent me a video out and they showed me that you have to twist it in a certain way. Like, it's quite hard to do it, but you have to twist it, which is why I didn't realise you had to do it, because I tried to twist it, because it was really hard to do it. I just thought it didn't fit. So they've sent me a video out, so now I just have to really twist it hard and then it will go line up perfectly. And yeah, so the video is back on. We're going to get the car back out and we'll carry on. Okay, so like I said, we are back in business and now able to fit these struts, hopefully. So let's get this boot open again, take the struts off and put it back on, and yeah, let's do this. I mean, I suppose that's kind of why I'm here, you know. You see the mistakes that I make, and then when you come to do it, you're all fine. So I mean, you know, I have to go through the pain, and then you guys can just simply, you know, put it on without getting very annoyed. But from no fault other than my own, we are back in business. The struts, doesn't matter what one goes on which side, because you twist them and rotate them. So what I'm going to do is take these two safety pins out. So as you can see, these safety pins here, what you do is simply grab it here, rotate it, he says, like that. It comes round, flip it around the back, and out it comes. Easy as that, done. It's the same exact one on the bottom as well, so then that is now ready to go in. Now what I'm going to do is line it up before we actually put it on. So, okay, so the problem that I had before was that the bottom lined up like this, fine, and then when I came up here, this is now facing that way and won't go on there, but that is because I was being an idiot and need to twist it. So what you do, you hold the bottom here. What they used in the video is like a pair of scissors. They stuck a pair of scissors in here to get the leverage. Oh, that's working. Yeah, I just stuck that in there and then the bottom twisted fine. So, and what I've done is basically then what I did is I twisted it the wrong way. So twist it the right way, use the thing which is like in your head, which is called a brain. I struggle to use that here and there, but we now line it up again. Alright. Okay, I think we're in business, lads. I think we're in business. It should line up okay. So once again, what I'm going to have to do is hold the thing on my head. Bang. Okay, the weight of the roof is on, not the roof, you know what I mean, is on my head. The boot is on my head. So let's put this one in. This just clicks in nice and easy. Top one. Alright, that is now in. Oh, there was a second click there. Make sure it's all in, but okay. The safety pins, they are so easy to put in if I just find the hole where it goes in. So it goes up and then it comes out the other side like that, and then click, it's on. That is now on securely. Okay, there is the strut in like that. Now that looks decent. I actually like the look of them. I like the springs on them. I think that looks decent. So these pins here, you need to get your flathead, pull it in a way where that comes out, and then it will hold while it's in there. The bottom one won't though. So when you take the bottom pin out, this goes loose. So make sure to hold onto that, because when you take the top one out first and then the bottom one. But yeah, let's do that now. Oh, I just stabbed my hand. I just stabbed my hand with a screwdriver. Please. Yes, that almost hit me in the face. Alright, these struts are now installed, and I'm so glad, because at the start when I didn't know that they twisted in place properly. I was so annoyed. I was like, for God's sake, I just wanted these to work. They're just so cool. So I'm so glad they're finally in, but it is now the moment of truth where we test it. Now, another thing, before you actually, when you test it, right, have your hand above just to make sure, because I've heard where sometimes the spring in them is really springing. It shoots the boot up like so quick. I think the window smashes or something goes wrong. When you first get them, to push it down, it is really quite difficult. The more you use them, the easier they become. Right. Okay, that is difficult to say the least, but as I said before, your key fob, if you have one of these buttons, there it is on the bottom. I'm going to press this button. I'm going to make sure the first time I put it up, it doesn't just ping up. So, oh yes. Now that is so cool. That is so cool. Let me try and actually close it with one hand. Let me try it. It's possible, That's not as difficult as Jake's was at the start. You had to properly slam this. I'm so pleased with these, I'm so pleased. Emerald Struts didn't send these out to me, I bought them with my own money, all of that, but they are such a cool mod. I'll definitely go get some of these for a car. Every car needs these, like literally, look. How cool is that? Just being able to press the button, the boot opens. I mean, I could watch this all day, mate. I'm sorry, but that is just cool. That is just so cool. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I mean, it's when you know that you have to twist the stuff, it's an easy install, but before then, oh my days, I was having a panic. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, you found it useful as well, you learned from my mistakes, which I make every single video when I put a mod on, but eventually we get around to solving it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. That is the coolest mod. All my links down below as well for my socials. Go follow me on there. There's always photos of this going up when I post a new video, so you know exactly when the new video is out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe also, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, you could do a gym workout of this. Mate, I've got my own gym. That's what I've built here. I've built my own gym.